This how to 1 minute will show you how to create a custom login page in WordPress using a free plugin. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to change this default WordPress login page. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and hover over on plugins, add new. Click on the search plugins box and type here login press. So this is the plugin we are going to install, and activate the plugin. Once the plugin activated, at the left hand menu you will get this option login press. So hover over on login press and click on customizer. Clicking on skip this step, and now from this page I can easily customize this login page. So first of all, let's change the background theme. So clicking on themes, from this list you can select any login page theme, and these all are premium. So I'm going to clicking on background and disabling background image and selecting a solid color for my login page. Okay, this one looks perfect. Then I'm clicking on back and I'm going to changing this logo. So I'm clicking on change logo, select image, and now I'm going to selecting my own logo. And now you can change logo width and height from here, and click on back, click on customize login form, and from here you can change or edit this login form. You can change form background color, you can change form width, you can add form radius, shadow, opacity. You can change input field background color. You can also change input text field width. You can change input field label color, and click on back. And you can change the reCAPTCHA from here. Once done, click on publish. And this is how we can customize WordPress login page. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.